They say the woods are alive at night. We learn they're also aware.
4 friends on a weekend trip. Alex built the fire, Sam told jokes, Riley documented everything. I was the worried one.
The silence hit first. No crickets, no wind. Just the sound of something moving in perfect sync with the crackling fire.
What the hell?
It didn't move like an animal. It glitched, appearing closer each time the fire flared.
It wasn't until the fire died that we saw them. Dozens of identical figures.